name is Jyoti Singh and I am a student of PGDM BM Section A. First of all, I would like to thank all my faculty members for their efforts and their valuable time in nurturing ourselves. So, today I am going to present a presentation on the topic and the case study of Industrial Sales Company Limited, which is also called as ISC. So, now I am going to start my presentation. First of all, I would like to explain the summary of the case study. This case study is all about a company which is a distributor of pumps and compressors for Maharashtra state. This company runs the business excluding Mumbai and Greater Mumbai. All the states are under this company only. The name of the company is Industrial Sales Company Limited and the region manager of the company is Mr. Seth. Mr. Seth was responsible for all the concerned activities which the company needs. So, in order to increase sales in Nasik, Jalgaon and Aurangabad district, Mr. Seth appointed one single manager. One single manager will see of all the businesses which are going to be happen in the three regions, that is Nashik, Jalgaon and Aurangabad. So Mr. Seth appointed Mr. Pethe to run this. However, so after running the business for these three territories, Nasik, Jalgaon and Aurangabad region, Mr. Pethe tried to operate business for other states of the Mumbai also, where other sales managers were also there. So soon their complaints came for the operating business in their areas also. In Pune, Mumbai and Nagpur also, Mr. Pethe started his business. Soon this complaint reached to Mr. Seth that Mr. Pethe was trying to operate business in their areas. So here a misunderstanding, conflicts arises among the sales managers. In this situation we can say that some biasness and miscommunication arised. In this case the problem is totally with Mr. Seth, as Mr. Seth has done the chaotic situation. If Mr. Seth would have appointed two more managers for the other two regions, then this problem wouldn't be happened and Mr. Pethe would not have tried to attract or grab the demand of the customers of the other regions in his state, Nashik only. So now I would like to give the brief answers to the questions regarding to the case study. So what are the problems with the territory design in this case? As Mr. Pethe was appointed by the regional manager Mr. Seth for operating business in Nasik, Jalgaon and Aurangabad region, so the following problems which Mr. Seth did while designing the territory in this case are: first of all, Mr. Seth took the wrong decision of appointing only one single manager for appointing. This couldn't be happened so. That is, one single manager for operating business for three regions can't be, because only one manager should be given the authority to run the business for one area. So in this case, he should appoint two more managers. Now coming to the next point, I would like to explain Mr. Pethe did another wrong decision which he took. He took that he designated for running business three regions. He tried to interfere. Mr. Pethe tried to interfere in the businesses of other states also. He thought that he can operate business in other regions also rather than these three. So their problem of miscommunication and misunderstanding arises and there was no proper coordination among each other. Thirdly, Mr. Seth, he should appoint two more managers for the other two regions, as it will decrease the biasness and it will create a healthy environment, a healthy working environment for all the people to work in. So these are all the above problems which Mr. Seth has done while designing the territory. So moving on to the another question, which if I would be in the place of Mr. Seth, what I would have done. So if I were in the place of Mr. Seth, I would have divided the area of the sales manager of the three states and appointed separate sales manager for all the three areas to function their task and perform according to their region only. This will result in prevention of the conflicts and biasness among each other. Secondly, I would have designed the business according to the customers and their needs and meet their satisfaction and requirements according to the demand only. So these are I can say that these are the things which I would have done if I were in the place of Mr. Seth. So this is all about the case study. So now I would like to conclude the case study. In this case study we can say that here proper coordination and proper communication needs to be there, so that no one can so that proper miscommunication and misunderstanding should not be there, so that proper business can be run off. If Mr. Seth would have done this, then this problem would not happen in his business and the business will run smoothly. So from here I would like to say and stop my PPT.